Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Java video. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to run and install mods with shaders and get them running together at the same time. In my previous videos I did show you guys how to install and run a few of the shader packs. For example, BSL shaders, Zeus Renewed, Silder's Vibrant shaders, and Astrolek shaders as well. And today I'm going to show you how to run those type of shaders, but at the same time also have mods running in your game. So I am on the latest version. If you can see on the top left corner there of my screen, I am on the version 1.17.1, and as you can see on the top right corner, I do have this minimap mod installed as well, and we do have shaders as well running. You can see the reflection in the water and the shadows, everything looks really nice. As a bonus, I have gone ahead and installed a resource pack as well, because I think this resource pack looks really nice. You can tell by the different look of the grass and all the other textures as well. So as you guys can see, I am now in survival mode. I have got Zero's minimap mod add-on installed and running, and I've got the BSL shaders as well enabled, which makes everything look so much nicer with the shadows as well. I really do like this minimap mod. It has loads of different features on it. One of the main things I like about this minimap mod is that it's got a teleport function. So if I press the Y key, I can go to waypoints and then I can teleport back to my location. So as you can see, I'm now back at the crafting table where I started from. So it's a really cool mod. I can also enlarge it as well. So the process I'm going to show you guys today, what it's going to allow you to do is going to allow you to install mods for Fabric, and it's also going to allow you to install all of the shaders as well that are currently available for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.17.1. And as a bonus, I'll also show you how to install this cool looking resource pack as well. So let me quickly show you guys what I've got here. In the mod section, I am running the Zero's minimap mod, and in the shader packs I am actually running the BSL shaders version 8.0.01, and if I just go back to the resource pack section, I am running the Clarity resource pack. Now it is saying that it's incompatible, but it seems to work for me fine, so I'm going to include all of these things in the description, so you guys don't have to go around looking for it. You can just click on the links to take you straight to the download page. And hopefully by the end of the video you guys should be able to download and install and get mods to work alongside shaders and get them running at the same time for your Minecraft Java game version 1.17.1. Alright, so the installation process to get the mods and shaders to work together is quite simple, guys. You just need one program, and once you've got that one program installed, everything should be quite simple, and then all we need to do is just move the mods and shaders into their relevant folders, and then launch the game, and then you can just select the mods and shaders to whatever your preference is. Okay, so to begin with, we do need to install Java. So if we go to your internet browser, just type in java.com, click on Java download, and then agree and start free download. And the reason we're going to download Java is because we do need Java to run the installer for the Iris shaders mod, and it's a jar file, so Java is going to help us. So I'm going to go ahead and open this file, and I'm going to click on install, and then I'm going to return back here once it's finished downloading and installing. Alright, so as you guys can see, it now says you have successfully installed Java. So we've got the latest version of Java installed on our system. So if we go ahead and close this down, we can start downloading all the other files now. So the next file we need to download is actually called Iris Shaders, and this is going to allow us to play the game with shader packs installed alongside the mod. So in the search bar, just start typing in Iris Shaders. I've got that there already saved. And the link we need to go to is irisshaders.net. So click on that, click on download now, and then click on download universal jar. Alright, and as you guys can see, it's now finished downloading the Iris installer. Let's close this down. Now, the next file we're going to download is BSL shaders, because I do like using that shader pack. I think those shaders are really cool, and they're quite clean and simple to use. So in your search bar, just start typing in BSL shaders. And the link we need to go to is the author's main website, which is bitslablab.com. Click on that. Click on the download section and then scroll down to where it says download BSL version 8.0.01 and then wait for that to start downloading. Alright, so as you can see, it's now finished downloading BSL shaders as well. So let's close this down. Okay, so the next file we're going to download is actually called Fabric API. So in your search bar, just start typing in Fabric API. Go to the CurseForge link over here. Click on Files, and then download this file, which is called Fabric API. And as you guys can see, that has now finished downloading Fabric API.jar as well. Let's close this down. Okay, so the next file we're going to download is called mod menu, and this is going to allow us to view all our installed mods in the Fabric based environment. So in your search bar, just type in Fabric mod menu, and again go to the CurseForge link, click on Files, and then click on Download. Alright, so we can now see that mod menu has finished downloading as well. And the next file I'm going to download is the resource pack, which I showed you earlier, which is called Clarity. So in your search bar, just type in Minecraft Clarity resource pack, and then go to the CurseForge link again, and then click on the CurseForge link, and then again click on Files and click on Download. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've now finished downloading Clarity as well. Let's close this down, and we're also going to download the mod example which I showed you earlier, which is called Zero's Minimap, and I do know the website link for this one. So just type in Chocolate Minecraft in your search bar and then go to the first link that comes up, which should be chocolateminecraft.com. And as you can see, this is the author's main website, and look for Zero's Minimap in the top tab here. And then the version we're going to download is this one, which is for version 1.17.1, and it's for Fabric. So don't go for the Forge one, because Forge and Optifine are not currently available and don't fully support version 1.17.1, which is why we're using Iris shaders and the Fabric based program. So click on the download link for the Fabric section here. And as you can see, it's finished downloading Zero's Minimap.jar for Fabric as well. Okay, so I'm going to close all this down. I'm going to put all the files on my desktop, and I'm going to show you how to start installing these files and get them running, so then you can play and get the mods and shaders to work together at the same time for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.17.1. Alright, so I've placed all of the files on my desktop, so we're going to start off by installing Iris shaders. And as you can see, I've got the Iris installer here. It's a jar file, and because we installed Java earlier, it's going to make our lives so much more easier now. So right click on Iris installer, go to where it says open with, and then select Java platform SE binary, and it should basically pop up with an Iris installer here. And as you guys can see, it says select edition, so we can only select one drop down for this, but for the select game version, we're going to click on this link here and then select version 1.17.1. Install directory is going to be the default Minecraft one. It's also going to say use custom loader recommended. Now I'm going to untick this, and this is really important that you guys don't forget to do this. So just make sure that this box is unticked and you haven't got it ticked or left it ticked before you click on install. Alright, so I'm going to click on install now, and then it's going to download and install it for me. Alright, and it's going to come up with a message that says an existing mods folder was found in the selected game directory. Do you want to update install Iris? Select yes. And there we go. So now it says installation succeeded. I'm going to close this down. And if we open up our Minecraft launcher, as you can see at the bottom left here, it does say Fabric Loader version 1.17.1, which is the latest version. And if we go to installations over here, you can see that there as well. If we hover over any one of these two lines here, and if you just hover over the folder icon and click into it, it should open up the Minecraft directory. Let's close this down. Now, When you're in the Minecraft directory, basically look for a folder that says mods. If you don't have this folder that says mods, right click anywhere in an empty space, go to new and then select folder and then rename the folder to mods, how it's written on my screen over here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go into the mods folder and we should have two files in there. One of them is called Iris and the other one is called Sodium, which is completely fine. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to basically drag Fabric API into here. I'm going to drag Zero's minimap into here as well, and I'm going to drag the mod menu into here. And all of these jar files are basically mods which are going to be run by the Fabric software. So that is one of the main reasons why we actually used Fabric API, because it is required to run all of these other mods as well. Alright, so let's go back, and now if we look for a folder that says shader packs, again, if you don't have this shader packs folder, right click anywhere in an empty space, go to new, click on folder and then rename it to shader packs. Now let's go into this folder. As you can see, it's completely blank on mine, and I'm going to drag this BSL zip file into the shader packs folder. There we go. Alright, so let's go one level back and now look for a folder that says resource packs. Now you should have this folder. If for some reason you don't have this folder, just obviously create a new folder and rename it to resource packs. And I'm going to put the last remaining file into the resource pack folder, and this is the clarity.zip file. I'm going to place it into the resource packs folder. There we go. And as you can see, I've taken all of the files and placed them into the relevant folders. We can move this Iris installer out of the way, and if we just click on Minecraft Launcher again, just wait for that to start loading. Alright, so with Fabric selected in the drop down, you can click on the play button here, or we can go to installations and then click on play against Fabric Loader. So let's go ahead and click on play. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've got a different looking layout now because we did install the Clarity resource pack. Now that is completely optional. You guys don't have to use that. I'm using it because I like the look of it, but it's completely optional. You guys can just get rid of that if you don't want it. And at the bottom left here, it does say Minecraft version 1.17.1/Fabric as well. And because we've got the mod menu mod installed, it now gives us a mods button which we can click into. And now I can see all of the mods I've got installed, and it is showing that I've got Zero's minimap installed, and I've got the mod menu here, I've got Iris, and I've got Sodium. So let's click on done, and if we go to the options section, click on video settings, you'll notice it does say shader packs on the top right here. So let's click on this link here, select BSL and then click on apply, click on done, click on close, done. Now just for example, I'm going to create a new world. It's going to be a basic survival normal difficulty world. I'm going to click on create new world. Just wait for that to load up. And there we go, guys. As you guys can see, I've got a world with the BSL shaders enabled, and I've also got the mod installed as well. On the top right of my screen, you can see I've got the Zero's minimap mod showing, and I've also got the cool looking resource pack, which is called Clarity, installed as well, which makes everything just look so much more nicer. Hopefully you guys have found this video useful, and hopefully you've managed to get your mods and shader packs installed at the same time that you're running the game with mods and shaders installed together. If you liked the video, click on the like icon. If you have any comments or queries about this procedure, do leave them in the comment section below. And also, please do let me know what kind of mods do you like to play with, what kind of shader packs do you like to play with, and if you're going to run both the mods and shader packs in your own survival world. And also, please do subscribe to this channel to help support it, help it grow. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.